In Guangzhou, a facility builds a car every 53 seconds. It operates in total darkness, with only occasional welding sparks lighting the assembly line. This chart reveals the scale of the transition. In 1 year, China installed nearly 300,000 new units, 54% of all industrial robots deployed worldwide. These 2 million active machines coordinate a nationwide macroeconomic pivot. The world's factory is undergoing a forced overhaul to survive a collision of 2 existential threats. For 40 years, China's growth relied on 2 pillars: an abundant supply of inexpensive workers and a death-fueled real estate boom that built cities overnight. Demographics have broken the first pillar. By 2040, China's working-age population is projected to shrink by over 100 million people. The second pillar, real estate, collapsed shortly after. This wiped out trillions in investment, leaving vast projects and concrete apartment blocks completely abandoned. Beijing responded with a mandate to move the nation's entire financial future into high-tech manufacturing. China's stability now hinges on silicon and automation instead of the manual labor of the past. This shift was initiated by Made in China 2025, the state's blueprint to move from low-cost assembly to high-tech production. The policy demands technological self-reliance, with a focus on dominating sectors like advanced robotics and renewable energy. That plan has now evolved into the AI Plus initiative, a directive to fuse artificial intelligence into industrial operations. This table identifies the new priorities. The government is now fast-tracking generative AI and humanoid robotics. State capital is flooding into these sectors, subsidizing over 30,000 smart factories across the country. Under this framework, factories are restructured from the ground up to integrate these technologies by design. On the factory floor, this restructuring begins with deep data collection. Sensors feed information into a digital twin, a real-time, virtual replica of the physical factory that allows for instant monitoring. AI then analyzes this digital twin to predict equipment failures and cut defect rates by an average of 50%. A third layer integrates green energy systems to power these massive computational and robotic needs. Using vast fields of solar and wind power, AI forecasts energy demand to run these production lines on renewable sources. These integrated layers create a manufacturing environment that is faster, precise, and immune to energy volatility. Within these facilities, AI functions as a comprehensive industrial operating system. This factory brain couples research and development with physical production within the same facility. This enables short-cycle innovation. Because design and production are linked, new products are simulated, tested, and physically refined in mere days instead of years. This brain connects multiple sites across the country, coordinating materials and technicians with the deployment of humanoid robots. When the lights go out in these automated facilities, the pace of production actually accelerates without human intervention. China's competitive edge now flows from the compounding speed, precision, and intelligence of this automated factory brain.